White. For the Clippers, it is the home whites and the Stars and Stripes jerseys as the first pitch comes in at 7:07 for called strike one to Hao-Yu Lee, batting .247 on the year. 8 homers, 30 batted in, and he's got 3 homers in his last 5 games. Takes a fastball up from. Getting a little bit of help as he's standing in sunlight. As he delivers the pitch, it goes into the shadows, and this one a fastball missed 40 feet out onto the field right now. And the next pitch is swung on and missed. That was a big rip. It kind of bounces around to different positions. Here's the 2-2 offering. Got him swinging. Changeup for the past few games. Here comes the 0-2. And it's hit on a line and caught. Hao-Yu Lee, the third baseman, at the top of his leap, timed it perfectly and hauled it in for out number 2.
That's 2 balls that just missed off the bats of the Clippers. And this ball's just a little bit higher. It gets over Lee's head and goes out to the outfield and maybe.
Troy Melton, big right-hander, goes to work, and it's hit on the ground to the third baseman, Hao-Yu Lee. Takes it on one hop, throws a bit of a rainbow across the infield, but in time for out number 1.
Another ball that just isn't hit quite right. Melton, for the balls that have been hit tonight.
Count, Melton goes to work against the right-handed batting infielder. And Wilson swings and pops it up. Third base side, Lee, a busy fella in the coach's box in foul territory, makes the catch for out number 2.
Once again, a little bit off.
Been one of the best strikeout pitchers in the league this year.
Hao-Yu Lee looks at a first pitch for call.
Iowa, he didn't need to strike anybody out.
Next pitch swung on. This one looped toward the middle, and that'll make it into center field for a base hit. A ball that would not struck actually very hard, but he got it right off the end of the bat and got it just out of the reach of Valdez.
Well, I mean, that's 2 hits so far, and 2 hits that bounce through the infield as Parker Messick is just swinging a chopper to third base. 2 hops to Hao-Yu Lee. Throw to first, one third baseman retires the other. 1 down now, and I promise there are major league scores coming your way. Astros and Dodgers 2 apiece. Top of the third at Chavez Ravine. He's hit, batting .249 on the year. First offering to him is a changeup for a called strike. Messick has been pretty much living with a first pitch fastball. Now, we're going to have a challenge here? No, we had an issue with something out in right field. Here's the wind and the pitch, and it's high and away for a 1-1 count. You do not want any kind of delay or distraction. The next pitch is popped up into shallow right center field. Noel drifting in, but it's Petey Halpin, the center fielder, to make the call and the catch. Back to the top of the order now for Hao-Yu and right. The Virginia right-hander comes to the plate and gets a swing and a foul ball back. 0-2.
Good to see Nick coming out and throwing like this, too, because, you know, when you had the starter establish the way that Parker Messick did tonight, this is exactly what you want to do. You just want to come out and keep the same thing going. You already have hitters guessing. You already have hitters feeling down. Keep them that way.
Next offering, hit on the ground to Yordis Valdez. 2 hops to the shortstop. Good throw to first. Well, good enough as C.J. Kayfus. Cairo waits the 3-1, and he swings and chops it on the ground to third base. Hao-Yu Lee has it. He throws to first, and the Clippers are gone, but